remedy for the feet, a pedicure. Lily, I haven't seen you look so unhappy through a break for quite a while. This is just not working, is it?
Yeah, I can't find a solution as hard as I might try.
All right, this one is a Webby. It's defeated Lily. But if you think you have a solution to this, then head to our website and put your solution in the comments there. So, David, we had buster last night. It was an interesting word.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Little variation on the buster theme tonight.
It's actually a very unusual word called filibuster. F-I-L-I, buster, all one word. Now, it's a verb and it's a noun, and it's often used in a political context. It is to come up with prolonged speeches and non sequitur data and to take sidetracks, a little bit like I'm doing now.
It hardly ever happens in Parliament, though.
Oh, no, not at all. And the purpose being you're trying to often obstruct legislation. So it's deliberate delaying tactics. Now, why filibuster? It actually links back to two Dutch words, vrij, which is free, the same as it is for us, and boot, which is booty or plunder. And a freebooter is someone who is a robber, a pirate, a highwayman. In fact, it's even an obscure word for a bushranger, a freebooter. So what is the link between long speeches and a robber? And really, the theory is, or one theory, is that a person who comes up with a lot of these filibustering tactics, that is, a filibuster themselves, is essentially standing on the highway either for personal gain or essentially trying to delay and stop progress, much as a highwayman would delay a coach.
Hijacking the debate.
Exactly right. So quite an unusual word, but a nice little sign-off for the week on the buster theme.
Lovely bit of language. Thank you, David.
Pleasure.
John is on 14. Colin is on 21. Next letters from you, please, Colin.
Right, could I have a consonant to start, please, Lily?
Thanks, Colin. T.
And another?
C.
And another?
L.
And another?
M.
And another?
T.
And a vowel?
A.
And another vowel?
U.
And one more?
E.
And one more vowel?
And last letter O.
Here's our clock. Those letters, Colin, how many for you?
I think I'll play safe and go with just 5.
Okay, John?
I'll move one further ahead with a 6.
Okay, hang on to that. Let's have the 5 first.
Metal.
And your 6, John?
A mooing cattle.
Cattle.
Yes.
Very nice.
Well wrangled, John. A good 6. Now, one thing I love about this show, amongst the many things, is that I learn words. And one word that I learnt this week was from Angie on Wednesday, and that was calumet, which is a peace pipe, and that's there for 7.
Wow, isn't that amazing that's come back up again so so soon? And
Yeah.
a great word it was indeed. Well done, David. Well found. But John, 6 points. Only 1 point between them now. It's turning into a tight battle. John, more letters, please.
Thank you, Richard. May I start with a consonant again, please, Lily?
You may, thanks, John. C.
Another one, please.
R.
A third one
T.
and a fourth.
H.
A vowel now, please.
A.
Another vowel, please.
U.
One more.
A.
Okay, I don't like them, so I'll go for a consonant, please.
Q.
Ooh.
I really like that, thank you. I might go back to the vowel.
And last letter E.
Oh, dear. John, how many?
I got an instructional 5.
Hang on to that. How about you?
I got 6.
Let's have the 5, John.
Teach.
Teach? Oh, well, that is the word of the night, isn't it? Absolutely. Colin, even if yours is a 6, I'm afraid teach has to win.
I do like that one, but I had curate.
Curate. That's the way to go, isn't it, David?
Two good words, and both related, of course, to their vocation, that idea of teaching, and curate, which comes from the Latin curare, to care for. A good 6. Well played, Colin.
And what did you find here, David?
Well, I used that cue, so I'm very happy about that for 7, and that's racket.
Good one. Nice to see the cue getting a little bit of mileage. But Colin scored 6 points. Colin's a little out in front, and he gets the chance to choose the numbers for what is for him the first time. Colin, what would you like?
Well, since my family's in the audience tonight, I thought maybe I should go for the family mix of 2 large and 4 small.
That's very sweet. Thanks, Colin. 2 large and 4 small.
So that accounts for the really loud cheering we've heard earlier. That's great. Great to have the support.
Wish it was for me.
It was.
Our numbers 9, 8, 4, 1, and the 2 large 50 and 75. The target to reach is 783.
Here we go. Well, Colin, did you like the numbers?
I got 1 off. I had 782.
Oh, good effort. John?
I also have 1 off on 782.
782. Gee, you two are firing away very similarly in the maths direction. But tell us what you did, Colin.
Well, I did 75 plus 4 is 79.
75 plus 4 is 79.
Multiply it by 9 plus 1, which is 10,
By 9 plus 1,
giving 790.
790.
And then subtract the 8 to give 782.
Minus 8 is 782.
So that was a very nice method, and it's taken you once again to just 1 off the target. Did you take the same approach, John?
No, I did it differently.
Did you? Okay, tell us what you did, please.
I did it the primary school way, obviously. That was looking at my 10, so I went 9 plus 1 to make 10, and I just multiplied that by 75 to make 750.
Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. By the 75 is 750.
And then I multiplied 4 by 8 to get 32,
4 by 8 is 32.
and I added those together to get 782.
Well done.
So, nice, very nice approach indeed, and you've both ended up on 782. Now, last time we had this, we got just 1 off, but to get to the actual number was a real toughie. Is it again?
I think I've got it.
Ooh, okay, this sounds like one of those risky ones. Are you prepared to give it a go?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so here's what I have. 50 plus 9 by 8 plus 4 is 12 by 50, which is 600, plus 12 by 9, which is 108. So that gets us up to 708, and then you add the 75 is 783.
Oh, well done. That brought a Friday night smile to the face. Excellent work. Well done, Lily. But a good effort from John and Colin. Only 1 away, so they scored 7 points each. That means John is now on 27. Colin is on 34. We're heading for another break. Another word mix for you. Semi-norm. And the clue this time, an inappropriate name for a young lady. Back in a while.